I don't think in general we're over the debate on if and when will we move to Open RAN. There's a lot of folks out there in the community that, are kind of opposed to it, but the operator community is very supportive of it and driving towards it. I think for us to get there, it's going to require product maturity as well as feature parity. And once we get to that point, you'll start seeing much quicker adoption of the technology.
We do believe that Open RAN is fully embraced by the service provider community, and as such, eventually it will be the accepted standard.
Operators are already starting the RAN transformation. Disaggregation and virtualization of the RAN network is going to open up the ecosystem and spur innovation and allow for mixing and matching of vendors. The operations of such a network is going to require a holistic orchestration and management system. As part of the operational benefits, by introducing AI/ML as part of their framework for orchestration and management, we'll move from the detect and repair to predict and prevent. And that will introduce OpEx savings, and VMware can really help in this journey.
In terms of the CSP's RAN transformation, many of them are already on the first phase, which is the virtualization of the RAN, where we decouple the hardware and the software. The next phase is the most exciting. The second phase is what we're starting to see now with programmability, with the RAN intelligent controller can bring, and you'll start to see some initial deployments starting at the end of this year.
So the responsibility for Open RAN networks ultimately will remain with the service providers.
They will want to take a more of a prime role when it comes to RAN, much more than they ever did in the legacy RAN. I think you're still going to need a partner in there, someone to take a disaggregated RAN and really aggregate it back together again. So, things like configuration testing, end-to-end testing, they're going to be very involved in that.
What we're seeing in the industry is that systems integrators, big system integrators are being approached by service providers to take the role of the primary responsible parties. And what we will see is a balancing of responsibilities between service providers, systems integrators, and network equipment providers over time.
The VMware SDKs play a pivotal role in accelerating our partners' development of their applications. We provide sample code, we provide libraries, we provide APIs, basically the essentials that someone can just bring their logic, their algorithms, and plug it into a framework of software that we have, and they can be up and running. So this will dramatically accelerate the pace at which developers can develop their RAN applications.